Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make this very simple 3D 12-pointed star. It might seem complicated, but it only takes 2 modules to make and there is no cutting or gluing it together. So to start, take your square sheet of paper with your main color on top and fold it in half diagonally both ways. Next, you're going to fold the corners towards the center. Now flip the square over and fold the corners a little bit further than the center towards the creases that you just made previously. Next, you're gonna fold your square in half both ways. Now you're gonna grab the 2 corners on the sides and pull them downwards and make everything flat. For the next step, we're gonna reverse fold the top corner of the square. To do that, you're gonna spread the square at the bottom a little bit and then push the top corner on itself and flatten everything. Next, you're gonna grab the flap on the right and press it inwards, but only one flap at the top, and you're gonna flip over and do the same on the other side. Now you're gonna grab the short flap that you just created and turn it upright and spread the paper at the bottom. You will see 2 triangular flaps. Grab the flap on the right and fold it in half, and then along the edge, as you can see here. Now you're going to repeat the same step on the left side. Now we're going to make 2 additional creases to flatten everything. Now just make sure that everything looks the same on this side, and then you can flip over and repeat the steps on the other side as well. Now you're gonna spread the paper at the bottom and then grab the longer edge of the model and push it inwards along the creases that are already pre-made. Next, just flatten everything and make sure that your model looks like that at the bottom. Now we're gonna repeat the same on the other side. So open from the bottom and push the longer edge inside on itself. After that, your module is basically ready. I'm just making sure that all the creases are flattened and make sure that it looks the same. Now it's time to attach the two modules together. So if you look at the bottom, you can see that there are 4 triangular flaps and 4 pockets. Basically, you're gonna grab each flap and insert it into the pocket on all the sides. Here you can see that I'm skipping one side because I find it easier to do the opposing sides first. And now I'm gonna repeat with the other 2 sides. Once you're done, make sure to double check all the sides. As you can see here, one flap escaped the pocket, so I'm just putting it back in there and double checking all the sides. So we're almost done here. Now you're gonna concentrate on one sort of half cube side of the star, and you're gonna fold the paper from the edge towards the center on 3 sides, as you can see here. Here you can see a complete segment of the star, and you're going to repeat the same process on all the 8 segments. At that stage, do not worry too much if the creases look a little bit messy, because you can always come back later and readjust. Here you can see the process of shaping the star sped up. Here is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you did, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel. I see you guys next time.